Hey everyone, Samsung's most sophisticated and ambitious foldable so far is the Galaxy Z Flip 7. And it's obvious that this iteration seeks to both satisfy enduring demands and expand the Flip portfolio. The Flip 7 is beginning to feel like a fully functional flagship in a foldable shell thanks to its eye-catching new design and significant performance and battery life improvements. The cover screen is the most noticeable and striking enhancement. It's better in almost every aspect, not just larger. With very thin bezels that are only 1.25 millimeters thick, the 4.2-inch panel now extends edge to edge and gracefully wraps around the camera lenses for a seamless appearance. This design decision is futuristic, not simply futuristic feeling. When you open it or use the cover screen, it's among the first things people notice. Additionally, it now has a fixed refresh rate of 120 Hz and a maximum brightness of 2,600 nits, which makes it incredibly smooth and useful outside. The Flip 7's cover screen is now a key component of its allure rather than an afterthought. A better camera experience is also powered by the improved screen, particularly when snapping selfies in flex mode or using palm motions. Samsung has deftly incorporated animation effects into the external display and camera system. For example, an animated countdown that moves across the screen and draws your focus to the camera when you press the button on a selfie timer makes it simpler to capture the ideal moment. The same reasoning holds true for video. To verify that the lenses are rolling, the cover screen glows red around them when recording begins. The Flip 7's internal display has been rebuilt with a more natural 21:9 aspect ratio. When open, it now seems more like using a traditional bar-shaped smartphone, although still being 6.9 inches in size, comparable to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This more balanced form factor makes the Flip 7 considerably more recognizable and comfortable to use for anyone switching from a regular phone. Simply said, the whole experience is less compromising and more sophisticated. Flip phones have long struggled with battery life, but Samsung has made great progress in this area. The Z Flip 7 now has its largest battery to date at 4,300 milliamp hours. Given the phone's small size, that represents a significant improvement over the device from the previous year. Exotic battery chemistry isn't involved. Samsung is simply using careful engineering to advance current technology. For foldable lovers, this phone's ability to comfortably survive through a full day of regular use is a major victory for those who balance the use of the cover screen and the main display. The new Exynos 2500 chipset from Samsung, which was developed using a 3-nanometer process, powers the Flip 7. Although the Exynos moniker may first cause some users to scoff, this chip introduces Samsung DeX functionality, which is a whole new feature for the Flip series. As with the Galaxy S and Note lines, you can now run a desktop-like interface on your Flip by connecting it to an external display for the first time. Overall, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 seems like a big step forward. It fixes many of the Flip's remaining flaws while retaining the features that consumers already adored, such as its small size, attractive design, and foldable fun. One notable innovation that revolutionizes phone use is the new cover screen. The inside display experience is enhanced by the more ergonomic aspect ratio. The battery is now dependable. If you have been unsure if foldables are ready for daily use, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 may be the device that finally persuades you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment and hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.